Aloha! Kaway-kaway tayo sa mga taga-Hawaii. Isa ng mga dish na inspired by your tropical paradise, ang Aloha or Hawaiian pork chops.
Simpol, luto na,
Sobrang dali nitong gawin. Unang-una ginawa ko, binabad ko yung pork chops natin sa tubig na may asin. Ito yung tinatawag na brining. So, minsan kumakain tayo ng pork chops, nagiging makunat siya at dry. By soaking it with water, isang kutsarang asin sa kada cup ng tubig, ibabad natin siya, mas nagiging juicy siya kasi mas nag-absorb at nagre-retain siya ng moisture. So, eto siya yung pork chop, nakatabi siya, binabrine natin. Ngayon gagawin natin yung ating sauce. So, meron tayong pineapple juice galing sa ating pineapple slices. Lalagyan natin siya ng banana ketchup for color. Lalagyan natin siya ng brown sugar to balance the sweetness. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng konting cornstarch. Okay, cornstarch lang para to thicken. So, hindi tayo gagamit ng sobrang daming sugar para hindi siya maging sobrang umay. So, we set this aside. Be sure to dissolve all the cornstarch. Now, gisa-gisa na tayo. Sobrang simple. Konting oil in our wok. Konting oil. We just have to saute our aromatics to bring out the flavor. Onions. Garlic. Lalagyan natin ng star anise, laurel leaves, at saka konting luya. So, very mabango itong dish na to. Lalagyan din natin siya ng konting raisins, pasas, to add to the sweetness of the dish. Then, we put our pork chops. Then, we pour over yung ating magiging sauce natin to braise our pork chop. Then, lalagyan lang natin ng konting soy sauce to season. And a little bit of vinegar. So, yung vinegar natin, nilalagyan natin to add more acidity kasi sometimes yung ating pineapple juice, medyo matamis, kulang siya ng asim. So, hindi nagiging balance yung flavors natin. Allow that to simmer before we add our other element. So, season na natin din ng konting salt. A little bit more salt. And we allow it to simmer for a few minutes. So, after simmering for a few minutes, around 15 minutes, our sauce has thickened. Makikita mo, medyo lumapot na yung sauce natin. And to make the Hawaiian Aloha pork chops natin more delicious and interesting, maglalagay tayo ng pineapple chunks. Yung gamit ko dito, yung pineapple slices na kalahati. I-slice ko lang siya ng maliit. Red and green bell peppers. And a little bit of black pepper. Then we will cook it a little bit more until the pork chops are fully cooked and tender. Yan, so our pork chops are already done. Naluto na yung ating peppers and pineapples and it's already tender. So we can now plate. Aloha Pork Chops, Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumami ang ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.